Hello everyone, this is Andrew. This is my 2019 Chevy Corvette Stingray. And I got a bunch of stuff done to it. Painted the wheels, custom gold color. I got the Z06 side skirts here. Got all the reflectors here tinted. Front spoiler, gotta get it painted. Well, I gotta get a different one because it's plastic. We go back to the rear here. We got the APR GTC-500 wing, tinted tail lights, tinted reflectors down there, and I just got the CORSA Extreme, pretty much the X pipe and the exhaust, and it's basically straight piped. But I'm gonna start it up here. This is gonna be a warm start. So that was loud. I'm gonna rev it up. We got some people over here, but I'm sure they'll be okay with it. There's just a sneak peek until I get out on the road and really listen to what it sounds like. I have an automatic, so it doesn't rev up past 3,500 RPM. So, yep. I will see you guys next time.